This is the prophet Isaiah 29 and verse 6, and it reads through the Holy Scriptures, "Thou shalt be visited of the Lord Yahweh, thy power of hosts, with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storms and tempests and the flames of iron fire." This is Ecclesiastes 12 and verse 14. "For Yahweh thy power shall bring every work into judgment, and every secret thing, whether it be good or whether it be evil." Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Akarkadash, in the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Ba'ashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwa Kadash, the whole tongue. And I say Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson from ntd.com by the Associated Press as of April the 1st, 2024, and it reads, 3 adults and 2 children are crushed to death when strong winds top trees in Poland. This is Warsaw, Poland. Strong winds in southern Poland on Monday topped trees that killed 3 adults and 2 children, emergency responders said. The spokesperson of the regional firefighters, Hobart Zyply, said 2 women and her 6-year-old were crushed to death in the town of Rabaka Zebra. It says separately, a woman died when a tree fell on her in the town of Zapopan at the foot of the Tarata Mountains, says the spokesperson for the Zakopan firefighters, Andraziki Karalegokwski. If I pronounced those names right. It says another tree in the same town killed a child, according to a spokesperson for medical responders, Pauli Mikołowski. Local authorities have issued a warning about strong winds reaching at least 100 kph and 62 miles per hour, and have closed mountain tracks and Tetra National Park. Ecclesiastes 12 verse 14, I'm reading again. "For Yahweh thy power shall bring every work into judgment, and every secret thing, whether it be good or whether it be evil." This is Ecclesiastes 29 and verse 6. "And thou shalt be visited of the Lord Yahweh thy power of hosts, with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storm and tempest and the flame devouring fire." So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying from ntd.com as of April the 1st, 2024, by the Associated Press, and it reads again, 3 adults and 2 children are crushed to death when strong winds topple trees in Poland. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem Akarkadash, in the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Ba'ashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwa Kadash, the whole tongue. And I say Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.